this in the same steps that we will demonstrate cloning a spare key for Nissan Micra 2013, and the same concept is applied for all cars. The same steps you can do for all transporter keys, which is clonable. You can do it in the same steps that what you're going to see in this video. Okay, we open our manual just to have a quick reference for this car. So here we have Micra 2002 till 17. So what transporter ships we can use again here. I will just try to fix the okay. It's better for me to take a photo, clear photo for you anyway. So here we have X-Horse XT Super XT 27. This is super ship from X-Horse that we can use in this type of car or ship. Okay guys, so we will start, and by the way this is the super ship, X-Horse super ship, where you can have a good stock with you. It's very useful and it will make you have less stock in your place, where you can copy it to several types of ships. The same concept of the universal remote. Okay, here we can also go to our key programmer. I'll just zoom out. Okay, so we can select Micra and we can go here, vehicle IMO information. So this is the type of the key, and ship number is 46, blade key, 433 key frequency. Okay, in this case the client he has no remote on this spare key. He doesn't want to have a remote transporter key, he just wants a spare one, another spare one from this transporter key. Okay, so here we have the key blank, Nissan 14, key plate, and the key shell with a transporter container. Okay, so we will power off or power on our key tool max. We will just put the Nissan key here. We will go to transporter. I'll just make it like this so you can see. Okay, transporter clone. We need to know the information of this key. So we go to read the transporter. So it's 46 as we witnessed our key programmer, and it's I can clone this key. So what we will do, we will click on clone, and we will tell the device to start cloning. And we need to confirm it's 46. So now it's reading the original, and we will have the super chip, okay, here in this hole, and we will take out the key. Okay, so now the cloning process is completed, and now we will go to key cutting process. So we will go back, and you will go to this page, vehicle database, Nissan, for Micra, which is Nissan 14. We switch on our okay. It's asking us here to put it in the fourth line. Okay, fourth line. So now we need to decode the key. And the other thing also is asking us to use M1 clamp. Okay, M1 clamp, which we are using now. Okay, now we'll tell device. Okay, and decode key. So learning key is success. The key is decoded, and we have the depth details here already. Okay, so next step, we will take out the key. We will fix the blank key. Okay,